Okay, now we'll talk about users. This is one of the most important things in Linux. How to know the users and how to create new users. First of all, how to know which user I am using right now. It's simple. Who am I? That's it. It's like you're crazy. Who am I? You know the movie. Who am I? Okay. So I am Cami. I'm the user Cami. As I told you before, we are in Cami. So let's see which user that we have. We will go to cat. I'm going the answer. Oh, cat. It is still. It is still. And pass word. That's it. So these are the users that we have. We have Cami. We have new user. We will creating another user to see the users that we have. So let's create a user. But before we create a user, if I start with the command to create a user, which is user add, let's call the users new one, for example, new user one, or let's say call it user 20. The command will not be applied because permission denied, because we don't have an access to this permission to create any users. So what should we do? We can go to the rules, or we can change the group of our user, which also with permissions, or we can do something we call it sudo, which is the super user that allow you to do whatever you want. User add, and then the name of the user, which is new user 20, or let's call it user 20. Yeah. So they need the password to our, as we have the password Cali. Okay. So it's created. Let's check it out. Now, so this is the user that we make right now. Okay. If we want to make a password for this user, how can we make a password for this user? It's super simple. Gonna be sudo first of all, and then password WD, not password, pass, and then WD, and then we'll write the name of the user, which is user 20, and then they will ask us for the new password, which is user. Let's make it only 20, and then part the password 20. So the password updated successfully. So this is how to make a password. Okay, how to delete this user? Sudo, and then del user. Okay, so read DAL user, and then user 20, and that's it. We are removing the user. Let's check it out. Here, it is not here anymore. Let's create again. Okay, guys. Okay. Okay, let's check it first over here. Okay. If I want to search for a certain user, this is an important step, guys. If I want to search for this user 20 from the users, I'm gonna write cat etc / password, and then I will make the piping, which is this, which is the / and shift and /, and then grep, which means give me user 20. See, this is user 20. If I ask you in the exam how to search for a certain user, you will use this command. Okay, we're done right now with the users. We're almost done with the users. So we will start now with the groups. How to make groups, guys, and how to deal with these groups. So first of all, let's say which groups that we have. We will go to cat, we'll smash city, and then dot. We'll have these groups, guys. Whenever you create a user, you will create a group for it. Okay, if we want to create a new group, we will use for sure sudo, and then we'll make a group, a new group. We will for sure as the user add. This is group add, and then let's call it new group. Okay, it's here. Let's check it out if it's still, if we create it or not. See, new group. Okay, and you want to delete the group for sure. It's the same. Sudo down group, and then let's call it new group. Yeah, we remove it successfully. If we want to make sure it's not here anymore, let's create a new group. Okay, the new group. Let's call it new group 20, for example. Now we need to know how to add a user to a certain group. For example, we know the users, how to add them to groups. We go to users, count, etc, group, and that's good. And see the users. We will have the users and their group. A group that is you. Okay. So if we need to add a user to a group, we can use sudo for sure, and then user mode, and then dash small a, and which is add, and G capital add to group. And first we write the name of the group, which is new group. What we call it? New group what? Sorry, new group 20, and then write the user, which is user 20, for example. Okay, this is how to add a user to a group. Okay. Yeah, we can write groups user 20 to see the groups that the user is belong to, which is group user 20 and new group 20. Okay.